Alrighty then, afternoon session. Massive volatility, huge news impacting events gave us some opportunities to come back from a drawdown. Still into drawdown here this afternoon. Can I get this, please?
Speed of NQ55.
All right, get all this live streaming stuff sorted out eventually. Yeah, Elon's going to war. Feels like with the world, I feel bad for him, man. They're stacking him up. All right, two strategies to focus on. The Enigma on auto.
Speed of NQ63.
And I'll be taking them discretionary as well. Plus DCDMs and DC reversals when they turn clusters. Or in scenarios like this. This is a, what do you notice here inside that one? We've got a distribution leg into what is an accumulation zone. So inside of an accumulation zone, pop quiz, is this a continuation or a reversal? You should say reversal here. So I'm going to take reversal opportunity inside of an accumulation zone like this. Not for a double cross, double move. Not for a double move. Just for a T1, T2 type of scenario. Yes, sir. And again, it is dangerous to do that against the favorable direction, so we want to keep this in mind at all times. It does look like McAfee Ultimate is on the fritz again. Curtis is there? I'm not sure if he's on or not. We gotta get this thing moved to the cloud.
Just for those interested, just seeing from the filing here that Block 5 schedules its first bankruptcy hearing for Tuesday, November 29th. That's a,
Speed of NQ69.
Time.
Speed of NQ69.
Thank you, Aaron. I love the Nasdaq 100.
Just let it be. Why don't you be?
Didn't not and then some. No, I wish. I'm still down
Speed of
4K in my
NQ52.
personal account, 3,600 there. Today's been wild. It has been absolutely wild. Oh, we got a red enigma over here. I don't know why it's not showing. I still have not figured out the synchronization issues I've got. I'll have to figure that out. Stop's going to be above that 11,606. That would be right above the enigma. Can always try rule it.
Target filled.
Coming back to my point of entry, got across. Cross holds. Coming back into crosses. A little bit difficult because the enigma's over here. I'm having to keep my eye over here. And again, basically if the enigma breaks, that's all we're playing here is an enigma play. We're assuming that MACV Ultimate is to the short side. There's another enigma, should be adding to position here. Another cross. We've got those very strong blue alpha omega crosses down there, so this could also be a reversal in the market. If it is, the up move is going to be tremendous. So we will be preparing mentally for a strong up move, but let's wait for some setups in that direction first. Nope, I don't like that. I'm going to close it. We've got green enigma coming in now. Steve, it's both.
Target filled.
Could have held it.
Target filled.
Super frustrating. I got scared out of that one. Totally got scared out of that.
63.
Alright, there's the double cross. And we've got targets down below us. Not gonna work for me. Ouch. Almost immediate. Almost immediate.
NYMEX gasoline December futures settle at $2.33 a gallon. NYMEX diesel December futures settle at $3.21 a gallon.
Speed of NQ81. Speed of NQ81.
NYMEX natural gas December futures settle at $6.71.
Alright, we're going to try it back the other way. So we got DCDM, F8. It's going to be hard to read inside of here. It's a mess. Let's move some targets out. Why can't I move my targets? And again, I do think there is a strong potential for this to be the reversal point in the market right now. We got these huge alpha omegas that have shown up here. There's the biggest green in a while here, and we need some setup. So here is the first DCDM. It's short. I really should do another one right here. So we do have another potential here to gold line up top, and this does feel like the bigger move. There's a very large accumulation zone here for that.
Target filled.
So we'll go ahead and pick up some right there. Right off on that gold line. I'll take a quick reversal. Hopefully not going to get slammed for that. Come back, come see me at the gold line.
Target filled. Target.
All right, touch me on the gold line. Excellent. We got to play that one both directions. Let's clean up.
96 cents, 1.26%.
Speed of NQ83.
Looking to the long side. Give me an entry. Yeah, Cyborg is on the left chart, full auto is on the right. All right, looking like a J hook here. Hearing some buyers on the tape. So I'm going to put on some risk on this one just because where I'm at in my P&L. Take these bigger opportunities here. We've got T1 there, T2, T3 is up there. If this J hooks, deepest pull entry will be here, 11.60s. I'm going to put this under the green section here. There's a white cross, add to position, put me below green sections. It's going to be at T1 or a J hook. I've got Enigmas working against me over here, I see on the right. Curtis, Anybody there? I think Curtis is getting overworked. I need some technical support help. At the beginning of the year, we'll be trying to hire some technical support, some additional people handling tech support section. We got lots of people coming in and lots of people with a lot of tech support stuff. He's doing a great job, but I think he's overdone. Oh, I saw one come through. 233. All right, so MacV Ultimate, thank you, CG. Why is the music skipping? Everything is on my nerves today, I tell you. Oh my word. Great to hear it, Steve. $650. Awesome. Good stuff, sir. Steve, where are you from, my friend? Utah. Here in the buyers, pop that top, add to position, gonna try to put on the risk. Cross shows up right in front of T1.
Target filled. Target filled.
There we go. T1 of J hook is touched. We pull down. I'm looking to re-go. That was pretty much a straight shot up. We remained in the upper half of the J hook. Hopefully it doesn't fake me out. Again, J hooks are very risky. That's why I tell people, like, J hooks, do not try to do those until you've got a lot of experience with those. Oh, that's awesome, my friend. Great to hear it. Single dad, 3 kids. Got your hands full, brother. I know. Not doing it solo, but we got 4 running around. It is a wild bunch, I tell you what. Yeah, I got the T3 on those J's. You know, the J hooks, when they work out well, I mean, they're very, very powerful. The risk is higher though on them. Your risk is, you want to combine them. In general, I recommend combining them with other things that have smaller risks. I do need to measure this out, actually, speaking of. So across to center. Okay, it's going to put me right there at that T1 spot, or T2. Now that we've already crossed T1, I'm assuming T2 and 3 are in. If not, well, prepared to be wrong. We are against ultimate. And daily bias is also still short. So any given moment, you know, this might just be the push up and then it may be continued downward. Always have to keep that in mind. Okay, all that selling push feels like it got absorbed right there. Didn't see a push here, at least on NQ. Let's see. Let's see if we get the up move now. They tried. Come on, break it. Let's go. Add to position. Push me. Get me T2. Give me target 2 on this J. Let's go. Come on, baby. Oh, don't do it. It's getting snappy. My main advice is to actually follow through and listen to what the videos tell you to do. I do not know why I have to state that out loud, but it just feels like a lot of people think that what I'm telling you to do is optional, and it tends to not work to people's benefit not to. I would literally watch the videos in order as they are laid out.
Target filled.
And know that you really should not skip through. You should not be picky choosy in the videos. You know, you can pick and choose your strategies if you want, but as far as getting educated through it, people think, oh, I just need to learn one strategy. I'm like, there's a reason why I'm telling you to learn all of them. You need to know, even if you've got your strategies, you need to know if my other strategies are working with you, for you, against you. You really need to know. Even if you're not going to be a J-hook player, you need to know, even like in this scenario right here, like how is this J-hook working out right here? What and how and why? You need to still know all of the strategies. Learn them all, understand them all. And again, the markets are diverse. They are going to be throwing you different things. Each different type of day is going to give you different personalities. You need to have a toolbox of tools. I used the example the other day, I thought it was a good one, of when you go in your garage, people are like, well, what do I need all these other tools for? What do I need all this stuff for? Why is your garage full of tools? Like, this is to the men in the room here. I mean, maybe ladies who have garages too, but listen, man, I'm just going to call it like it is. Like, men, we have all kinds of crap in our garages. Why? Because you don't know when you're going to need that other tool. Yeah, you can fix the majority of things with a hammer and a crowbar, okay. But what about the day that you need that specialized tool? What if you need the socket set? I tried to put together my kids' basketball hoop myself, which was a mistake. I should have just paid somebody to come and do it. But you know, took an entire weekend to do it, and then realized I don't know. I got this one tool that solved everything. It's a bendy neck I don't even know what to call it. Like it's a tool I've never even seen before. Didn't even know it existed. But I saw it at Lowe's and I'm like, that looks like that would work. Made the whole thing so easy. It's like a bendy neck socket set, but it also has an open hole, so you don't have to have the whole socket go over the nut. It was crazy. I don't even know what to call it. Right tool for right job. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and close that position there. Not too bad. Got some decent capital out of that. Let's clean it up. Control R. Remove drawing objects. I do want to note where that high side line is. I'm going to press F6. That's actually a gold line up there.
$19 a barrel.
In the event we start to sprint back up again. But no, I personally think that you need to have multiple tools in your arsenal. Like even today, I'm not just coming out here just on the Enigma. I'm still looking at, I've got multiple things going. I'm focusing on two primary strategies, and I want to know, you know, when Enigma fails. I am trying to figure that out. Enigma does quite well. And then, but I'm also bringing DC, my double crosses for my, what I'm very familiar with, in the event that, because I know I'm trading something that I'm less familiar with right now, being the new Enigma. And yeah, bringing multiples with me. Gustavo, do you have a garage full of tools? So what you're going to find with J-hooks is sometimes it takes a long time for that final target to hit on a J-hook. Sometimes you will see this thing could go like this and then finally come up onto it. So we may have plenty of opportunities to take trades in between there. This is just experience speaking, so you gotta be careful. Now sometimes the J-hook, you know, they go straight to target 3. But I'm going to get the majority of the meat of my profits out of T1 and T2. That T3 is just for fun. It would have been awesome if it just popped up there. I would have taken it, sure. But I also know if you start looking at enough J-hooks, you clear your charts and just look at J-hooks, you'll see. Again, the size of the J-hook too also matters. A large J-hook, man, take a while. Smaller J-hook, those actually are, you know, preferable for people who are starting out, particularly because you've got smaller targets, smaller risk. So a nice little small J-hook is awesome. Big ones, it's bigger risk, and you really need to play other things, in my opinion, to get you in the direction. House full of tools. Yeah, and I mean, you know, you're gonna need that particular tool on that certain day, you know, and you're gonna be glad you had it. Yep, and proper sizing, exactly. Having the wrong size tools, wrong set, you're missing a socket, it's a real pain. Yeah, there's no single perfect tool, exactly. That's a very good point. You're gonna need that weird Allen wrench that one day. You're gonna need that weird star tool, you know, for that one gadget that needs to get fixed. And there are some principles that still always apply. Like let's think about this. It's always lefty loosey, righty tighty, though, isn't it? It's a good. This analogy is just getting better. Always lefty loosey, righty tighty. So, what's the commonality of all of our stuff? We're still wanting to go in the direction of the tide, in the direction of the wave. MACV Ultimate giving us that information across 4 instruments. So in general, I want all of my tools to apply to this logic. We're going big if it's with this. We're going a little bit smaller if we're going against. My tools kept yelling at me that the family's taking up too much space. Yes. 69 Barracuda lug nuts. My dad had a Barracuda. That was his pride and joy back in the day, the Barracuda. Oh, we're approaching that T3. See if it's going to flirt with it and touch or no. All right, later, Jello.
Speed of NQ58.
Stripped bolt remover socket.
NQ58.
Is that a thing? Sounds like something I need. Yeah, when nothing else works. My dad used to say, get a bigger hammer. Get a bigger hammer. Speaking of get a bigger hammer, everybody get a bigger hammer and smash that like button. We got 48 people here, 27 likes. Let's match up our likes with our viewership. Let's do it. Very tricky day trading today. Very tricky day. There was a lot of news that randomly came out. If that news was truly negative on interest rates and all the changes they're having to do for inflation, if they're truly accurate on that, then if they're going to react today, the final half hour today may be a complete dropout. The market may absolutely just dump. Final half hour. What they'll try to do is to get anybody from thinking to go short. They'll push up, push up, push up, so that all the retailers that they'll get us to think, oh well, oh look, no, it's up, everything's up, 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 up. They'll just hold it up there until they're like, okay, last minute, like, okay, let's go. That's the real move's coming. Let's dump them out. Yeah, WD-40, that's a universal. WD-40 will help you loosen up just about anything. What's my favorite tool? Electric screwdriver. I've got all kinds of electric screwdrivers. All different sizes. Indoor, outdoor. I have one with a, have y'all seen the kind that has both a drill head and the screwdriver head on the same deal without having to swap it out? Oh, love that thing. Yeah, you guys make sure you enable notifications. If you didn't know it, we started 33 minutes ago. Make sure that you enable notifications on your YouTube, and I don't know, some people have them blocked on their phone. I don't understand the whole, like, we're in this, day and nation of your phone is basically an extension of your body. You want to know when things are going on, then enable those notifications. Don't be stingy with your phone notifications. Alright, there's cross one. We have a potential for a double cross to show up here any moment now. I'm feeling it. We haven't had one in a while. That's the basic idea, Rafa. Yes, approaching the markets like a video game. You may not even understand why something would take practice, because I mean, a headshot's a headshot, an entry's an entry. Yeah, it's the mechanics, and it's about. It's not when everything goes well that you need to practice. It's how do you handle the ones that don't go well. Have you practiced enough to anticipate ways to filter? Where you go, well, can you avoid a few of the losses? You're not going to be able to avoid all the losses, but are there some? And that just puts money in your pocket. It's the difference between the guy with the smaller P&L and the bigger P&L. Man, I haven't got the 55 curved installed yet. It's sitting over there by my door still. Yeah, I haven't got it installed yet, sadly. The 300 pounder, I swear the thing weighs so much. It's so heavy. And again, there's lots of ways to approach it. It's just the way that I teach it, and the way that I suggest. If you're looking for a mentor, like my suggestion is learn the videos, go through the videos. Takes about 40 days. Practice learning how to lose well for 40 days, where you create these habits for yourself. And then 40 days to learn how to maximize your winners. Also, tracking your size. Like, I don't think that enough people understand that sizing matters. You're not just trading one contract, two contracts all the time. It's not how you should be doing it. You need to know when you need to push it to use the numbers of contracts to your advantage. Do I trade Forex at all as of right now? No. Have I? Yes. I've got a fully verified track record of 1.5 years plus. It's more than that, really. It's about 1.6 that I did in Forex, so that anybody could copy my account in Forex just to prove out that the system works on both, and that people could copy my account. You can't copy my account in futures because the markets are just too thin in futures. That clicking sound is AudioBox. Flowmaster AudioBox. That is the flow of, is a proprietary flow of Nasdaq, Dow, Russell, Nasdaq, all four of the primary E-minis. A combination to, you can hear the size and speed of the orders hitting the tape. Anthony, how are you, sir? How's Florida? You still down there in Florida these days? Thank you, my friend. Blessings on you and the family, sir. Okay, that Enigma was legit right there. So here comes the sell side. Last time we saw a sign here is 233. Little concerned if that's not quite working right for us. We might have to do something to that. Deep bass sound is sellers. High pitch sound is buyers. Still haven't seen the double cross in a while. Let's wait for one of those. Or a red Enigma, and I'll tap into one. Okay, strong sell. I see MacV Ultimate just put in something there, so at least we know she's working here. Strong sell. Yeah, that Enigma got it right on the money. Mind you, remember this white line? What did I draw that line there for? That was T3 on that J hook. Now you know why we have those lines. I'll go ahead and remove it now. Okay, we got a lot of delta action here. Delta flagging all over the place, big ones. Let's see what happens in this zone here.
Said continued supply shocks could force central banks to respond.
All right, we are right in it. Give me an Enigma, give me something.
Says successive supply shocks pose challenge for central banks, potentially herald more volatile inflation. And in
got my finger over the sell. Why? Because we're on strong sell. Just wait for a setup.
Biz conference in June.
Okay, There's a very strong W pattern right there. I never trade against the W. I'll be looking to the long side for the moment until that W is vanquished.
Speed of NQ79.
Give me an entry. All right, I got a white cross here and a W. Not getting too big here, but I'm going to toe in the, well, quarter position here. Quarter position, quarter position. And I think we're going to tap through that and possibly more. We'll see. I see out of the corner of my eye on the right, we've got a red enigma over there. I don't know why I'm not getting them here. I gotta figure this out. That is one of my issues with the system right now. I'm not getting consistent confluence across chart types for some reason. I don't know what that is. Okay, now I'm just gonna try to manage this trade.
Target filled.
Yikes. Okay, was totally wrong. W completely broken. And kind of kicking myself. I wish that would have shown up over here. Thank you very much. Give me the enigma over here and I'm in good shape. A rare W break there. How am I doing? I'm tired, man. I'm very tired. Are they on the same data connection? They are. Alright, we've got a green, double green enigmas over there. I'm going to give a retry here on this W. We've got the two enigmas, stops below the enigmas here to the green side. See if we end up getting this run out. We've got the previous delta is up top.
Speed of NQ52.
Big zone of delta here though,
Speed
so I
of
wonder if we're going to sit here and
NQ52.
accumulate inside. It's 3:04, final hour is on the docket. Another cross. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to eat me again.
Target filled.
Hearing the buyers coming in. I'd like to see us get up to that 116975. I've got targets in front of it. Hopefully I'm front running that appropriately. We're coming right back down to my cross zone. If I still think this is a good play, I'm going to add to position. Nope, breaking my spot here. Alright, hopefully I can manage out without topping the stops. Let's see. Nope. It's a very wide zone it's creating here. Holy shnikes. Right back to the spot with the enigmas inside the big delta zone, and I'm getting closed out. Alright. 100 homes in progress. That's awesome. Great to hear it, Anthony. Alright, I see a red. None of these enigmas are showing up over here at all. I am very perplexed right now. I've got to figure this out. I'm having to look over here on the right to get my reads, and this is so wrong. I should not be having to read over here. Do not know what's going on with this chart. Alright, double cross, double move, opportunity, F8. Let's see if we can make this one pay. Let's get a
Speed
little
of
payday
NQ
action.
64.
Is there a shorter one? Yes, right here to the cross. Alright. Oh, don't cluster me. Finger over the close. DCDM. Nope. Right inside that delta zone. Nope, closing it. Okay. Gotta see. A cluster can be a reversal. That's not a DCDM there. I'm hearing buyers on the tape. Oh my word! What is this? Why do I have one over here? Dude. What is going on with my settings? I have bid-ask lines calculating on each tick. Is this the problem?
Target filled.
Speed of NQ 66. Speed of NQ 66.
Yeah, number of bars loaded. There is definitely a difference on that. I wonder if that's it. Oh, dude, I wonder if you're right. Hold on. Oh, this only has 1 day. You smart guy, hooked on pips. I'm telling you, this guy's IQ level genius. Yeah, I've got these on 7, so it's catching bigger stuff there. Hold up. Let's try that. Let's see if they show up. Oh, you know how frustrating that is to watch that go all the way down to my targets? Oh my word. Alright, nope, they're still not showing up. I have no idea. I gotta figure that out. Yeah, I should do a 2 try. You're right. I'm just tired, man. So tired. I can't think straight. Hurting my brain.
Speed of NQ 57.
And I'm not sizing appropriately there either. I should have gotten bigger on that.
Target filled.
Alright, so it goes to both. Oh yeah, no, I was definitely up early. I want this thing to be ready for my competition next year, starting January. And I know around the Christmas holidays, I'm not going to have any time to do any of this.
Speed of NQ55.
Time 3:11. Red Enigma. Why am I not getting any of these on this chart? What in the F?
ICE Brent crude January futures settle at $83.19 a barrel.
No outstanding delta on the 1s, 2s, or 3s. So crazy. Okay, so this one, that one caught. Why?
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, drilling 313. Yeah, I think we got that one.
Speed of NQ66.
Take a look in the mirror, take a look in your eyes. Is it finally clearer? Cause I'm terrified. Born right into yesterday, born right from the heart. Paranoia is killing me, but I know who you are. And lately I've been looking my separate ways, shaking like you're holding on to me, caught in formality. It's a fantasy. All this time it's been hurting me. You and I
Drop it.
Drowning in a phase, in the blue of an ocean. I find all sorts of gray. I'm low when I'm high, you see. I'm swimming in dead. I lose time, lose my mind and faith. My demons lately, I've been looking my separate ways, shaking it off.
Dude, I'm not getting the green enigma. What in the world? I'm gonna rebuild this chart when this day's over. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna rebuild this thing from scratch. Something is up. Alright, we're getting a lot of delta action coming in here, and there is a red enigma. Did that one show up? Yep, okay.
According to the White House's Kirby, discussions on a Russian oil price cap are going well.
All those orders getting absorbed down there. So we might get a pop here after all. We are getting multiple deltas. There's another enigma. I'm already at a full position right now. I want to see if this plays out. I'd like to get ahead in the count here. 318. You can feel it. It's coming. Yikes. That is inside of an accumulation zone. You know what I say about that? We could get a reversal right here. Dadgummit. I'm just being ego. Closing it. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. The coolest, best thing I could have done right there. Knew it was going to happen. Should have just closed it, gone long, pulled in some capital. I'm going to be stuck at a minus 4K. I just can't get through it. Too tired. Totally could have pressed those buttons right there. Totally could have done it. Too tired. Alright, let's go the other way. Control R. Let's remove some stuff. Let's see the other direction. F8. I'm so slow movement right now. I feel like I'm moving through molasses.
Speed of NQ58.
Your poison, you can follow me. You can run and hide, but
Oh, breaking the crosses. All right, closing it. All right, I can retry if it comes back up, but too risky. Oh wow, pressed the wrong button. How about you press F6 instead of F8 there, bro? Alright, I'm going to assume this is in an accumulation zone, and we'll want to see this reverse back up into my white crosses. Come on. Let me manage out. Nope, not going to let me. No, she's not going to let me. No manage out. No manage out for you. Not gonna be able to do it today. Not gonna be able to do it unless we get some serious volatility. We got 38 minutes left. Wow, it is double cross day. I have not seen a setup like that. I need to screenshot this. That is 3 in a same locale. Looks like a Richie trap, which would mean we're gonna pop up here, but what's the big picture story? Yeah, no, I totally hear you. I definitely should. I was so excited earlier for coming back from the deeper losses, but we had some bigger moves earlier. We had way bigger moves. We're losing the speed. We're down at 35 speed. It was awesome earlier when we were punching over 100. I'm still not getting the green enigma right here. This is just insane. Wow, another one, no way! I gotta take another screenshot, this is crazy. Oh, it's a cluster. So let's see if we get a reverse. That is totally a cluster. Alright, pop me up, baby, come on. Nope. Alright, it's gonna let me manage out, or am I getting a full 25 tick stop out? You gonna let me manage out? Give me a push up into the cross. Come on, get me close. Nope. Not even a chance to manage out.
Speed up NQ52.
I have literally never seen this many DCs in the same location. Another screenshot. Let's see it. What is it today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holy cow, in one spot. Yeah, Zeke, you're definitely right. It's about to drop. You were right about that, sir.
Just looking at a senior research piece here saying stocks near session low as Brainard adds to hawkish Fed speak.
Time is
The S&P 500
326.
opened in the red and then extended losses after cautious remarks from the Fed's Bullard, who warned markets were underestimating the odds of more aggressive policy. The index fell further with more caution from Fed Vice Chair Brainard.
Yeah,
who
double cross,
flagged
double move
supply
conference
shocks.
call. Yeah.
That's deepening the risk of sentiment for equities and lifting treasury yields and the dollar, which troubled.
I
as
think we're going to go
leverage
back up into this
session high.
cluster. I have this feeling we're going back to the cluster. Let's go use the cluster for an attraction point here. Go find that cluster. No, not a red Enigma. They can't be 100% correct. Come on, miss one. I'm hearing buyers try. Give it a little pop. Take them down, pop them up, do a little drop and pop. Now pop it. Pop it up. Go into that cluster. Go get that cluster. Go get all that cluster volume. You know there's money in that cluster up there. Go get it. Go get it.
Early market on close imbalance, currently sitting at 320 million to the sell side.
Nope. Oh, I was hoping we could do it. It's gonna be a red day for me. Oh my. Almost sleep like a baby. Of course, again, I don't know why people say sleep like babies. My babies don't sleep well, man. They're up all the time. Yeah. I literally keep pressing F8 for F6. Double cross.
Target filled.
Inside of an accumulation zone is a reversal for me. Get up in there, you know you want to.
Speed of NQ53. Speed of NQ53.
On my way down. Like, I'm not giving you nothing. Get nothing.
Target filled.
Oh,
Target
she wants to
filled.
cooperate a little bit today. What about it? How about that?
Target filled.
All right. Double cross inside of an accumulation zone. Statistically speaking, you want to take that as a reversal.
Speed of NQ68.
Oh, she gonna go to that cluster. I hate to say I told you so. You can't beat experience, folks. You can't beat experience. And there is the double cross. Into
According to
an
sources,
enigma.
Exxon is to exit OPEC member Equatorial Guinea in
Speed of
2026.
NQ54.
Exxon is to decommission Zafiro platform and permanently cut production to no more than 30,000 barrels per day. And Exxon is currently producing less than 15,000 barrels per day in Equatorial Guinea.
Yeah, we're in the final 30 minutes now, so 3:35. Look at all these. I gotta take another screenshot. I've never seen this many double crosses in a section. This is crazy. DCD double cross land here. I can't say DCDM because some of them are reversals, some of them are continuations.
Speed of NQ57. Speed of NQ57.
Who said it wasn't going back to the cluster? I'm just saying, folks, it's just experience. Just seen it too many times. Doesn't matter how far down something is. When you see, it's undeniable algorithmic activity. That's what our crosses are showing. It's just they have to respect it. Okay. Easy to analyze, less easy to execute. This is why, as I'm telling you, this is why that practice part happens. I could have played all that. Think about it. It played out exactly the way that I said it would. All of it. Minus this one. Like, I really thought that was going to push up one more. But outside of that, everything else to the T. Even this cluster pushing into a reverse, popping up, you know, hit that delta line. Now after that, all's back to what we're already doing. Like, it's probably back to what everybody else is doing. There it is. There's the touch. All right, so now we can go back to trend. And if I could get these enigmas over, dude, that's it. I am going to copy chart. I'm sick of it. That news is coming from financialjuice.com. I don't like to plug third parties, but y'all know my thing. Yeah, on a day like today where there's this much news coming out, I had to put it on. Okay. Look, it's still not the same. I literally have a duplicated chart here. Still not. All right, hold on. So some of these, it's coming from, I've got differences in the strategy versus the indicator. Okay. Well, that solves it. It's because that's literally a duplicate of the chart, and it's exactly what that one is over there. But it's not what the strategy's showing. Okay.
Target filled.
At least I know. I know what it is now. Okay.
Early market on close imbalance, currently sitting at 320 million to the sell side.
All right, we've got
According to CFTC, speculators
Red Enigma
increased
coming
net
in right
short
here.
US dollar bets in latest week.
too many buyers on the tape for that. All right, we got a red Enigma way up here. Give this one a shot. Your buyer's all over the tape right now. That was at 341. So I might be trying to, I got a finger over the close. If we break the Enigma, then it's out on the Enigma.
Speed of NQ55.
I can always re-enter later. And oh, closing it. All right, let's clean it up. I can always re-enter F6 right there.
According to CFTC, Euro net longs surged to highest since February. Just to repeat, according to CFTC, Euro net longs surged to highest since February 2021.
Yeah, there's a lot of news, man. A lot of that, which should have helped with our volatility, but it was very sporadic. Major shifts around. Is this red Enigma gonna get popped? Is it gonna be 2 in a row? Yep. Nope. Correct. Okay, 2 in a row. There. And F6. Double cross, double move. So I always tell people, like, don't try to predict, just react. Just play the game. Just play the game. All right, coming into, what do I tell you at a gold line? I'm going to take a reversal, right? I'm going to take a reversal off of the gold line. Pow, pow, pow. Look how far behind I slipped on that. That was insane.
320 million to the sell side.
I am surprised by my own inability to execute here today.
Target
And
filled.
how much my tiredness has impacted my ability to literally click the mouse. It's insane.
Target filled.
But I hope you're seeing how easy it is, how much easier it is to just follow the system. Don't forget your instincts. Forget what you feel. Your feelings don't mean shit. How many of you guys were telling me, oh, go short down here? How many of you? Raise your hand. You're all like, oh, stop fighting the trend, Vinny, stop fighting the trend. Next thing you know, well, what's this? See? I'm trying to help you out. I'm not trying to rub it in your face. I'm just going, listen, I've got experience on you, bro. And my tools are designed for a reason. Just follow the rules, and if you play stats out, well, let the stats play out. Yeah, 350 algo's coming, 4 minutes. I mean, sure, we could have an absolute dropout at the end of the day here now, but the thing is when everybody thinks it's one direction, it tends to fight that very difficult first. Get everybody's collect their checks, Get people out of their positions, get people out of their accounts, because sometimes, like, these are account blowout sizes. That move from there to there will blow out people. Just follow the rules. But imagine you followed the rules. Imagine you said, okay, Vinny says when there's a cluster, reverse it. Okay, so this one didn't work out. Did this one work out? Yeah. What if Vinny says, so inside of accumulation zone, double cross reverses. Does that work? Yep. What was the other one? The rest of these? Okay, so one didn't work. Did this one work? Yes. Did this one work? Yes. Right? Like, just let it play out. Let them play out. You'll be better off. Okay, another double cross, double move to the downside. I don't even have time to measure that one so fast. Super fast on that one. Right, and if I'm sizing appropriately on a day when I'm halfway awake, I could probably execute way better on this. Okay, I'm going to manage through on this. I can add to position, adjust. Alpha Omega double cross over there on the right. Turned into a cluster. Okay, something's about to happen. Something's about to happen. Look at this. We are about to have the bomb.com. Something's coming. I mean, I'm assuming that all that news is bad news. So I'm going to get on the short side of this. And I may get popped. I may not. There's a red Enigma. I'm going to add to position. This is the hill I will die on right here. Let's see. That's true. 2 minutes till the 350 algo. Thank you for the reminder. Yes. Alright, I need to stop sitting back. And I need to... I should have drawn the lines on that.
Target filled.
Control R, yes. Give me a measure. Top to here. Here. Okay, yeah, 2 gold lines there. No surprise, returning a little bit right there. A breakthrough could have a big drop here. Worst case scenario, it close out.
Target filled.
Here in sellers. 350 algo coming any second now.
Target filled. Target filled.
Gotta watch out for the face rip. 350 algo coming on in seconds, closing out position. Clear chart.
Target filled.
Oh, you see
Market
that?
on close imbalance currently sitting at 740.
Here comes the 350 algo.
The buy side, just waiting for the final orders before we call it.
All right, I'm gonna go.
Imbalance sitting at 740.
Time to party.
To the buy side.
Yeah, the face rip algo. Exactly. Hope you're seeing why I did not want to hold a position through that. Okay, right back to that big area from before. Lots of delta action around there, assuming we will come back to that spot. We have one little spot up here. I don't know how big that is. It's not blue, so it's not that significant up there. I'm right here in the center.
Speed of NQ
Okay, double
135.
cross, double move. I'll try to look for a short ride around this line. If we get an opportunity, give me something, anything. Anything around the delta. Would like to see us return down here. There's a white cross. I'll take this down from a hair. Hopefully don't get my face ripped off here. There's a delta. Don't get the pop. Still could have more juice. Always aware it could have more juice to the upside.
Speed of NQ51.
Yikes.
Speed of
Closing it.
NQ51.
Nope, too risky. I'm not ahead in my P&L. Let's see. Lucky 7's coming up any moment. Let's see if this is the trap up top. Okay, we are in an accumulation zone, right? So I'm going to try a reversal on a double cross right here. Double cross, I expect
Speed
a
of
reversal.
NQ57.
Let's see, could be wrong. Could be right. Finger of the close, yikes. Okay, there's a big pink delta. Try to manage it through. See if we're going to pop back down for me or if I'm going to be in a big red day here. Almost wish I hadn't have heard the news earlier today. Again, why I don't really like the news thing. It's already got me a bias in my head that, okay, well that sounded like all pretty negative news to me. So I've got this negative bias on the end of the day. But doesn't, otherwise I would just be, well, looks like we're pushing to the long side. And I would just be free to do so. But instead I'm not. Because I've got that, I know I've got that mental bias. I can feel it in me right now.
Speed of NQ75.
Trying to predict what I think it's going to do instead of just what it's doing. Yep. Nope. I'd rather not let it get too far away from me. And the way this is acting right now, something could explode any moment right now. This is bad. See, normally I would take a little shot at this at a reversal. We're pushing up, we're in the accumulation zone, but I can't right here. It's too crazy right now. Yep, there she goes. UCDM, let's see if there's any end to it. So the end would be there.
Speed of NQ103.
Wow, here we go. Red Enigma. Let's see if the Enigma plus the cluster is going to help me out, or am I going to get popped? I can still feel my negative bias on the day sitting here trying to tell me, oh, we should drop out because we've got all this bad news from the Fed. Be like, nah, that's not happening until tomorrow, or maybe after hours. Watch them run it in the alpha hours. Don't like to let retail participate in these.
Speed of NQ104.
5 minutes till the close.
Speed of NQ104.
This feels like it's gonna rocket. Close. Nope. Too risky. Too risky. This thing, I don't even know. It could go either way right now. There's another Enigma, so, you know, my signals are telling me that we should be able to go short here, but my feelings are telling, yep, there she goes. Right up into it. There's, we've touched the delta. If this was not end of day, I would try to push that down right at the gold line with the delta, but not right now.
Speed up NQ55.
Okay, there's a red Enigma up there. Only for the sake of the fact that we've got red Enigma with it, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot here. Let's see if we got enough people trying to push it up that they're gonna fake him out. Okay, full position. Is the full position going to work against me, or is it going to help me out? About to find out any moment now.
Speed of NQ66.
Nope. Nope, I've seen those before. That's a pop. That is a drop and pop. Yep, that is a drop and pop. Y'all hear me say that all the time when it works for me. I'm like, yeah, give me that drop and pop. That's the drop and pop right there, where you snap everybody thinks they're going one way, and then boom, they snap it back the other way. Yeah, that's the beast. See, and that right there is why I do not like to listen to the news. I'm telling you, you get that mental thing stuck in your head. Oh, Fed said blah 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 blah. Bro, the Fed doesn't mean squat. Nothing that anybody says means nothing. Ninja Trader 8, my friend. Yep.
Speed of
That's why I don't like to bias
NQ84.
myself with the news. You guys are wondering why I don't have that news on and stuff. And it's like, oh, it's neat to know the news, man. That news doesn't do nothing but screw you over. You just play what's on the chart. If I just played this without knowing, you know, without feeling that bias to the short side, it would have been
Target
perfectly
filled.
fine. All right, we got deltas given up here, so now I can try some one more time. This might have been the end. We got the two deltas. Nope. Coming in hard into the close. Cluster. Is that gonna save me? I don't know why I care about that. It's at the end of the day. Like none of this volume matters. It's none of it's real at the end of the day. What am I talking about?
Target
Speed of
filled.
NQ218.
Oh, it's gonna give me some back, maybe.
Speed of
Or
NQ218.
I'm about to get wrecked. Oh, this is a total gamble right here. It's gonna just keep cranking. No. No. Come on.
Speed of NQ161.
Yikes. Green Nigma. Go away, Green Nigma. Nope. I'm out. Alright. Kept it under a 10K day. Not bad for a day when I literally set up for full bias of, okay, all this bad Fed news they're talking about, they're totally underestimated and we're going to have to keep on raising rates and inflation's going to go through the roofs. All this negative news on that day means nothing. Turn off the news, folks. Turn off the news. I'm literally closing out that site right now. Do not pay attention to the news. Just play what's on the chart. Play the chart. Double cross, double moves, enigmas, headshots, J hooks, all those plays. If you go back and I roll back and look at all of them, like everything was called just right. It was great. Even this cluster back here, right? The one that kind of made me doubt. What did I say? I said, oh, there's a cluster right there. Boom. What do we want to do for that? We move down, we get a cluster, just move it up. That's the perfect spot. What's this one? Cluster. What do? Take a short. Forget any of the news, forget any of the bias, just play the setups, and you're in good shape. Insane. Yeah, but no, I mean, even myself, I had it totally hooked in my head. Had a great comeback in the middle of the day. Had awesome, quick action movement, like 200 plus speed. But then ended up giving back a lot of it there at the end of the day there. Less noise, yeah. Can't have the mental bias of the news particularly. Technicals, that's one thing, but not news. Not if you're a technical day trader. It's no good. Appreciate that. Hey, we did a good job. We got 66 likes, not too bad. We didn't quite get to our 100, maybe one day. All right, folks. See ya.